Welcome. If you want to adjust notification panel shortcuts in your VIVO V21 5G, at the first you have to open notification panel and then tap on this icon. Next, we are going to change position, for example, of airplane mode. I'm going to put it between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So click, hold, and then drag between these two icons. We got also second space right here, so we can drag their NFC mode, click, hold, drag, and put it between auto rotate and the flashlight icon. You can also remove icons. For example, if you want to get rid of the silent mode, click, hold, and then drag it right here. And after that you can just go back, and as you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.